How to go to the testing mode in the RoboPop 75. Your machine should be plugged in, press the cooling button, and then press the start button. So here's the initial parameters. So here's the corn feeder. If we will press the cooling button, we will run this parameter. Right now we out of the kernels. And if we will press on the upper button, we'll go to the next parameter. If you want to increase or decrease this parameter, just press the cooling button. And it go on a round way, like a circle. So now it will be the smallest parameter, and we will just increase it, and then it will hit the maximum. It will go from the start again. So these two buttons just to regulate the temperature during the operation process when you operate the machine, and only this button to change the parameters on the testing mode. So it was 45. If you want to go to the next parameter, if you will hit this button here, you will make the default settings once again. And to exit, just press another one more time. That's it. Now you want to run the machine. You don't want to go to the testing parameter. If you want to run the machine, just press this button, and that's it. This is the firmware 15. And now the machine will tell you that I'm in the heating process. It will be H, HH, HHH, HHH, and all others. That's it.